Hi. Here's my take on the iconic Nintendo 64 logo, a legendary console that needs no introduction. This color model is designed for single-color 3D printers, with a strong focus on easy and precise assembly. Here are all the pieces to print. There are 29 in total. Here is a small animation made with OpenSCAD which shows the assembly of the parts. The pieces feature small studs that serve as guides to facilitate assembly. I'm assembling mine. I install the end parts. I install the end parts on the back. I install the plate parts. Then I install the yellow parts. That's it. Now make yours. There are 6 different pieces to print. To obtain the 3D file of each of these parts, open the OpenSCAD software or use the online customizer tool. Open my script, then if you want main body, just type here main, that's it. Likewise, if you want the yellow part, type yellow part here. Important note, end part back is divided into 2 parts to allow insertion. You can change the size of the logo, the thickness of the facade plates or the size of the studs. To write the OpenSCAD script, I relied on pencil sketches I drew on graph paper beforehand. I had to do a bit of trigonometry to work out the coordinates for some of the edges. Then, I convert these drawings into 3D shapes in OpenSCAD, using the polygon and polyhedron primitives. No expensive 3D software, just OpenSCAD.